Assalamu alaikum, Arslan bhai. How are you?
Walaikum salam, alhamdulillah. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Arslan, first introduce yourself and then we will move to the coding pattern.
I am Muhammad Arslan from Sahiwal. I have done my MSCS and currently only working with Skip2
So,
Farmer Stack Training.
so before going to coding part, I just want to ask you a general question. So, what's your understanding about sliding window pattern? Just describe it in a general way.
Sliding window, in this technique, we select a portion array of subarray of array and make changes or any work what we want, and by this technique we solve the problem.
Okay. I'm going to paste the problem link in the meeting chat.
Okay.
Before going before that, I want you to share your screen. So
uh,
let me first make the host.
okay.
Um, Uh, yes, now you can share your
Yes.
screen. So just paste the link in the meeting chat and you can start with the problem.
Okay. Okay, the question is max consecutive ones. Given a binary array nums, return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array. Let's see example 1. Input nums is given. Here 6 elements, and firstly 2 consecutive ones, and then 0 and 3 consecutive ones. 3 consecutive one is the greater in power maximum numbers. That's why our output is 3. Similarly, in example 2, nums is given and the maximum consecutive ones are 2. That's why our output is 2. Let's see constraints. The length of the nums array is maximum 10 raised power 5 and in between 1 to 10 raised power 5. And the nums of I element is either 0 or 1. In this question, we will find out the maximum consecutive ones. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, first of all, 11013.
You can explain, yeah. You can share your thought process with explaining like we earlier we follow in the demo patterns. So I think that will be a much better idea.
Yes, we can use uh, simple sliding window. Firstly, we will check substrings and we will move forward like this, and we will count the number of ones in the substring. If the substring has greater numbers of ones, consecutive ones, then we will return the length of that substring. Is it okay?
Okay, go ahead.
Mm,
If I talk about a simple brute force technique, how you can how you're going to solve this?
1.0. N equals to dash dash equals to means is equals to 0. J plus equals to 1. Three.
So can you explain your code? So maybe I.
One time. 1 minute. Okay. This is a simple approach. Can I submit this?
Yes, you can.
Mm, yes. Okay.
Error is showing index out of range.
Yes. Um, 1x leads to some different. Okay. Can I search
Yes, yes.
the pulse index, the list index of the temperature square? For list of
Can you explain why there is two times AFG is equal to count? First and
Yes,
there is two time AFG is equal to count. First in here and then you
yes.
again repeat it.
Yes, here when we count these ones, then 0 will come. When 0 will come, we will send the count in our array. But here no 0 is come. That's why in the last I want to append the count in the array.
So what's the count is equal to 0 command there is showing? Let's just describe your code, how much done you have till. So then we will move further.
Length of in this line we simply iterate through the this code. Okay, if nums of I is equal to 1, then we will count increment in the count. If nums of I is equal to 0, then we will append the value of count in the array A, and count will become 0 and restart from the 0 increment through this code. And this is used for indexes of the A, this array. At the end, we will append the value of the count in the array A, and we will return the maximum value of the array as a result.
Can you try run the example one?
Yes. Can I search how to append?
Okay.
My list append object. Okay. Length of array is 7. This is not good. Hmm. Is submitted. I will dry out this, dry run this. First of all, I have make a array list and inserted with zeros at every index of the array. In the next loop, in the for loop, I is equal to 0, and we will check nums of I is equals to 1. Yes, it is 1. We will increment in the count 0. In the beginning it is 0, and we will increment in the count by 1. Next iteration, we will again check nums of I is equal to 1. Then we will again increment in the count, and it will become 2. Next iteration, we will check. No, it is not 1. Yes, it is 0. We will append the two value in the array here, and count will become 0 and j will become 1. Okay. In the next iteration, we will again check it is 1. Yes, it is 1. We will change the value of count C 1, and again we will check. Yes, it is 1. Yes, it is 1. Then count is 3. At the end, no other value. That's why we will come out of the loop and append the count 3 into the array. At the end, we will return maximum of array, which is 3. Okay.
All right. Can we move for the
Uh,
time complexity as we are running short of time?
the time complexity of this function is big of n, and uh, because in the for loop, this will take big of n, and space complexity is complexity is big of n because we have used an list.
So, okay, I think the 30 minutes time is over
Okay.
now. So I'm going to end the recording here.